Wait, what if I told you there's a free AI superpower that can transform how you work? Imagine this. You're drowning in emails, reports, and endless tasks, and then a magic happened. An AI assistant did everything for you in seconds. That's not sci-fi, that's Perplexity Lab, and it's giving away these game-changing powers right now. While others are still stuck in the past, you could be finishing work in half the time and looking like an absolute productivity wizard. The best part? It won't cost you a dime. But here's the catch. The AI revolution isn't slowing down, and every minute you wait is a minute your competition gets ahead. Are you ready to upgrade your skills? Then pay close attention, because what comes next will change how you work forever. And smash down that subscribe button to stay ahead of the game. Perplexity Lab isn't just another AI tool, it's your unfair advantage. Think of it as an on-demand genius that handles the work for you. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about AI, Perplexity Lab offers an easy-to-use workspace where you can experiment with AI to create apps, research reports, summaries, and much more without needing any technical expertise. So now, let's dive deep into what Perplexity Lab is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal. And let's explore how this free AI tool is giving everyone superpowers. But first, what exactly is Perplexity Lab? Picture this. You've got a mountain of tasks piling up, a research paper that needs summarizing, a business report that requires data analysis, maybe even a coding project you've been putting off because it feels too technical. Now, imagine having a smart, ultra-efficient assistant who can tackle all of these for you in minutes, without any complicated setup or expensive subscriptions. That's essentially what makes Perplexity Lab different, an AI-powered workspace that puts powerful tools at your fingertips. Developed by the same team behind the popular Perplexity AI search engine, this new platform takes things a step further. Unlike most AI tools that focus on answering questions like ChatGPT or require coding skills, Perplexity Lab is tailored for real people facing real-world problems. It's like walking into a futuristic digital lab where you can experiment with AI to simplify your work, boost creativity, and solve problems faster than ever. So, what can you actually do with it? Well, imagine having a Swiss Army knife for productivity. Need to condense a 20-page article into a one-page summary? Want to automate a boring spreadsheet task with a quick Python script? Easy. Struggling to analyze sales data or brainstorm ideas for a project? Perplexity Lab can handle that too. It even helps with translating documents or polishing your writing to sound more professional. The magic lies in how effortless it all feels. You don't need to learn complex commands or navigate confusing menus. Just type what you need in plain English or any supported language for that matter, and the AI does the heavy lifting. The interface is clear, easy to use, and uncluttered, with no confusing technical terms or hidden fees. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone who loves tinkering with new tools, Perplexity Lab is built to adapt to your needs, not the other way around. What makes Perplexity Lab different and exciting? While other AI tools lock their best features behind paywalls, Perplexity Lab is democratizing access to advanced AI, giving everyone, regardless of budget or background, the chance to work smarter, not harder. So, if you've ever wished for a personal assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and can help with almost any task, Perplexity Lab might just be your new best friend. And the best part? It's completely free, at least for now. Secondly, no technical skills are needed. Unlike coding-based AI platforms like OpenAI's API, Perplexity Lab caters to regular users. You don't need to know programming or complex prompts. Just type what you need, and the AI handles the rest. It's faster than traditional tools. Instead of spending hours writing, researching, or analyzing data manually, Perplexity Lab automates the heavy lifting. What used to take days can now be done in minutes. It's a perfect solution for students and professionals. Students can use it to summarize textbooks, generate essay outlines, or even get coding help for assignments. Professionals can also draft reports, analyze business data, or automate repetitive tasks. That's not all. Creative people can also brainstorm ideas, refine a writing, or generate content quickly. So, now let's see. Real-world examples. What can you actually do with it? To make this even more relatable, let's look at 5 real projects you can whip up in minutes using Perplexity Lab. For example, if you wanted to create a market research report, instead of manually compiling data, you can ask Perplexity Lab, generate a market analysis report on the latest trends in electric vehicles. Then the AI will pull key insights, structure the report, and even suggest visualizations. Or if you want to build a simple app prototype and want to test an app idea, describe it as make a to-do list app with reminders, and the AI will generate the basic code in Python or JavaScript. Summarizing a legal document becomes easy. Lawyers or anyone dealing with contracts can upload a dense legal doc and get a plain English summary in seconds. All you need to do is write clean instructions, and all your requests will get an answer in seconds. If you want to write a professional email and you are struggling with what kind of tone to use, then ask, draft a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded. The AI will generate a perfectly polished message. It's also a new way of learning. You can learn a new concept. Quickly, students can ask, explain quantum computing like I'm 10 years old. The AI breaks it down into simple, digestible explanations. In all these scenarios, what will the future of AI productivity be? Perplexity Lab is part of a growing trend, democratizing AI so that everyone, not just tech companies, can benefit. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, tools like this will reshape how we work, learn, and create. While some worry about AI replacing jobs, the reality is that it's more about augmenting human ability, giving us superpowers to do more in less time. And with Perplexity Lab being free, there's no reason not to try it out. The best part? You don't need to wait. Head over to Perplexity Lab and start exploring. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite productivity hack. So, what will you create with your new AI superpowers? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.